Now that the court has ordered the supplementary for mediator, north and south,
the camera, don't look at the
listening. First listen.
within 90 days, how prepared is INEC? And how do you react to this judgment?
And with the INEC will follow, suit to what court has ordered. And I won't be here to, give you information as to the preparedness of INEC. I think we can focus on other issues that court has ruled on today. INEC appeared on all the matters, especially that of Ehime Mbano, Ihitte Uboma, and Obowo. Prominently, 3 of the cases, the judgment delivered today emanated from Ihitte Uboma, Ehime Mbano, and Obowo. While 2 came from Ihitte, that of Ugochi here. And so, but we are going to look at the judgment. I think as it stands now, it's quite different from what has been delivered at the presidential tribunal panel. What they delivered is quite different from what we heard today. And so I believe maybe the candidates involved and the parties will likely go into the Court of Appeal. And I still believe the issues are pre-election matters. Issue of venue is pre-election. It's now post. I still believe, and I know by the time they go upstairs, that will be determined, because already those issues has been determined at the level of the Court of Appeal and Supreme Court. Majorly the cases relied upon are also pre-election matters. The cases relied upon are pre-election matters, and you cannot just use those cases as judgment in rem over a post-election matter. But that's what has happened today.
Your name, sir?
My name is Chukes Abuba.
Yeah, aside from the candidates, is there any possibility that INEC will also appeal this judgment, considering that INEC validated the primary elections that produced the candidates that were sacked?
I cannot stand here but I know the candidates are going to appeal. INEC is a neutral party here. INEC is a neutral party. INEC is a neutral party. That's just what I want you to understand.
And then your reaction to the judgment.
Honestly, I must say that it's not been easy all this while. It's been a great battle. We are lawyers engaged in a fierce legal firework. However, today we thank God that finally the law and the court have vindicated us. The mere fact that the position of the law is that parties are free to conduct their primaries doesn't negate the fact that such conduct must be in compliance with the law. There is no gainsaying that PDP, as long as we are concerned, did not conduct any valid party primaries with respect to both the House of Assembly, federal houses, because those primaries were conducted outside the federal constituencies in question. That has been our position, and today that position has been vindicated. Honorable Jonas Okeke, who INEC, for whatever reason, declared as the winner, has been disqualified by this tribunal. And in his place, Honorable Chike Okafor has been declared as the person that validly won the election. So we thank God for a day like this. This case has opened a new horizon to our electoral jurisprudence. So we thank God for a day like this. And my name is Nnamdi Okechukwu. As you know, I'm a legal practitioner, and my colleague, Sylvia Chinenye Esquire. So we represented Honorable Chike Okafor as well as APC in this petition. And we are happy that we came out successfully. Thank you so much.
Bless you.